Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Power up the MXQ Pro 4K and your phone or laptop, then make sure both join the same Wi-Fi. Next, open the source device settings and enable screen mirroring or miracast because the MXQ listens for that handshake. On the box, navigate to network info so you can verify IP if the source asks. Once done, return to the source and scan for devices. You want the MXQ to appear in the available list. Now pair both devices. On your phone or laptop, pick the MXQ Pro 4K from the Discovered Devices list. If a PIN or pairing prompt appears on the TV, accept it quickly. This secures the session. Then, make sure to set a compatible resolution. Switch the source to 2160p or 1080p depending on your TV and network capacity, because higher rates demand more bandwidth. Finally, test audio and video playback so you confirm the stream. Finish by locking the session. Close unused apps on the source to free CPU and choose a stable Wi-Fi band, preferably 5 GHz for lower latency. Make sure audio is routed to the MXQ in your device's sound output menu, then test a video to confirm. If something goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip: reboot both the MXQ and your source device, and then toggle miracast off and back on. This clears transient network or handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.